So I just got a huge box of alarms from my good friend Trainmaster1212, who is selling some of his collection because he moved and didn't really have room for it anymore. So I bought some alarms from him. So let's go ahead and see what we got in here. As you can see, I already opened up the box, but I didn't really take a look and see what was inside. So let's go ahead and run around and feel around, see what we got in here. First, we got a Simplex key station. I've never owned one of these before. These packing peanuts anyway. This is pretty cool. Let's see what else we got here. We got an alarm I once owned before but sold. Now I have another one. And that is the non-ADA mass. I love this alarm, and I'm glad to have it back. Try to get all these packing peanuts out of there. Packing peanuts are very annoying, in my opinion. I'll get the rest of them out of there eventually. Alright. Let's see what else we got in here. We got an Edwards trim plate. I'm trying to see the model number. We got another Edwards alarm. Well, we got one Edwards alarm basically. It's an EST. It is. I can't even see it. See. Yeah, I'm trying to use the light from my camera to see. It is a. It's kind of hard to read. It is a 7927A006. I don't know if this is a speaker strobe or a horn strobe. I'll have to test it out later, but here's a good glimpse of it. Let's see what else we got in here. We have a Wheelock 7002T. Very nice. I own two of these now. Yep. Let's see. We have a Wheelock EHS DL1, excuse me. I own two of these now. But one of the screw terminals is missing. I can just borrow another one from another alarm probably. We have an Edwards Integrity. Stupid packing peanuts. Yeah, these are cool alarms. I like the EST Integrities. It's 1575 Candela. Unfortunately, it's not an enhanced integrity, but that's okay. We've got a Simplex 4903. Looks like it's the orange triangle, which means it's 110 Candela. The 4903 9217. Yep. So let's see what else we got. We have what looks like to be a Wheelock 3424, but there's two black wires, so it's obviously AC. I'm not entirely sure what voltage this is, but it's a nice little addition to the collection. These packing peanuts are sticking to my fingers and my hands. They're like magnetized or something. Got a key. Looks like this is for the key station. We got a Spectralert Advanced Strobe Only, the SR. I'm trying to get these packing peanuts off. awesome. Got the Gentex Commander 3. I'm glad to own one of these again. Got a Simplex 4904 remote strobe, non-ADA compliant. This is a neat strobe, I like this. Got a Wheelock ZRS. These are neat. I like these. I've seen these around. Got the no, this isn't an MIZ. This is a System Sensor PA400R. Looks like this is just a little mini horn. I don't think it does code 3 or anything. I think it's just a continuous horn. Yeah, pretty neat. Finally, an alarm I own. I really wanted for a while. Now that I own, it's an EST Genesis, but this is a strobe only because I don't see a horn in there. So I like this. This is awesome. All right, let's see. This is what I was really looking forward to getting. A System Sensor i3 2WB smoke detector. I used to own one, but I sold mine to Federal 3T22, also known as Dan. So let's see what else we got. I see some wires. What is this? Ooh, a Wheelock 7002. I'm glad I own one of these. These things are cool. So now I own two 7002 Ts and one 7002. These are cool. I like these. So. What is this? Looks like some kind of Wheelock horn. Oh, I think this is an outdoor MT horn only, because it comes with a weatherproof back box. This is cool.